DJT stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media and technology stock is a buy now for me. So watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end. Trump media and technology. Well, I can tell you from first glance, all I'm waiting for is like one more break so I can then start to take things up. With having done 41,000 videos in 5 years into the game, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially now with DJT, I do have a lot of receipts. I mean, just 2 receipts in the Discord, which I still keep. And I mean, this is nothing crazy other than just a simple buy, right? Now, why this? Because I want to get involved in the trade while it's going 60 miles per hour. You know, I don't want to start from zero. And at least, you know, the most logical answer to this is going to be that I've tested this for 41,000 times. 41,000 videos like this have been made. So I do have seen common patterns and more so spend tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. So it's all proof on my YouTube channel. Check it out. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.